Hey guys, happy 4th. I'm going to do another quick video on what we're doing with the doors and also what we're doing with the quarter windows, because I did a test there and it turned out a little off to say the least, but that's a matter of managing my temperature right. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. So there you go, the gas shock is in. It seems to work pretty good. If anybody needs the data off of that, this is actually a OEM from an Aventador, so probably don't need to go to Lamborghini for this. You can probably get one of these. The beautiful thing about it is that it kind of gives up a little bit as it comes down, and then when you lift it up, it like dampens. So let me show you. So what I'm doing here is one of the quarter windows. So this is scratch resistant polycarbonate. It's also UV resistant. What I've done is I've bent a piece of aluminum underneath here that's the right shape for what I want the window to be. I've clamped it in the middle where it touches the aluminum, and then I'm heating up my oven to 300 Fahrenheit. And then we're gonna let it bake, and hopefully it will relax into the shape we want. So let's see how this goes. So that's how it turned out. Actually not too bad. So the only problem is I have to make another one. I exceeded the glass temperature by just a couple of degrees, and it went and bubbled on me. So anyway, I went ahead and finished it, did the black on the back, which is the primer. Went ahead and put it in place just to check for fitment and everything, and it looks good. Next thing I'm going to do is try to get it clamped in there, and then I will go around it with the weather stripping and make sure that all fits. So anyway, making progress. So basically now what I'm doing is I'm putting the door glass back in. So I've got my OEM slides mechanism for the glass and my OEM glass. So basically it's fitting just like it did before I took everything apart, which is good. I do have an overlap here, which I totally forgot about. So that means that our quarter window has to be cut down a bit to match this. But that's okay, because it'll be a nice tight fit. And then we're going to have some rubber weather stripping that'll come down through here. So when we slam the door, this is not going to hit, you know, a hard surface and then shatter. It'll hit a nice soft, spongy surface, if it does at all. So the idea is to adjust it so that we don't have that issue. Currently it's fine. It's working just Jim dandy, going up and down. One of the things I was worried about is when it comes down, does the glass hit the hinge? But it does not. So pretty happy with that. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying getting some quick videos out. I'm progressing forward to try to get all the mechanisms working properly. I'm going to have to redo the striker area, so I'm going to have to take the rear fender off and a bunch of that stuff. So probably next weekend we'll tackle that. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Have a great and safe 4th of July. We'll see you next time.